Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm changing the ignition wires on my C6 Z06. I've had trouble with a couple of the original wires. This one's okay, but some of the original ones, I've thrown them out there. There was a bad connection here, I don't know why, and it arced to this part and to the coil, which is over here. Let me show you. Okay, there's a new coil, so you can see, you can see pretty well. Yeah, I put the light on. So you can see pretty well there and there is your connection. And on these original ones, I'm not happy at all with the quality. See, you can see pretty well right there. It's like two C-shaped circles of bent wire. Come on, focus. There. See, one goes like that way and the other one goes the opposite way. And the outside one, at least, is very flimsy. It is not anything that you can bend more than once or twice, and it loses its tension. So in my opinion, it's a cheap construction material. The rest of it might be okay, I don't know. Some guys say they get a lot of miles out of these wires, but I think this is like, you put it on once and you never touch it again, and if you have to touch it again, it's not going to go back on very well. So that's the original ones. This one here is a GM Performance Parts wire, which is a higher quality, and this has been on my C5 Z06. And if you look in there, this has been on and off. Whoops, come on. Let me use two hands on the camera. This has been on and off my C5, and actually I used them for temporary on the C6. And the metal of those two C-shaped parts still looks good. It looks tight. See it like it's pointed down at 6 o'clock now, the bottom one. See how that one still looks like it's got its shape? Now look at this one. See how it's bent out of shape? It's not C-shaped anymore. It's more like just kind of opening up. So, in my opinion, if you have these wires on your car, if you've never taken them off, they're probably okay. But if you ever have to take them off, I would not put them back on, because I don't think they're going to stay. I don't think they're going to go on right. I don't think they're going to stay on. These GM Performance Parts one, here's the box they came in. There's your part number. I think C5 and C6 is the same. Those are good. And what I went with is these MSD wires, which I think are probably even better quality than the GM Performance Parts, or at least they're the same as the GM Performance Parts. They supposedly have a more heat-resistant boot on them, and this boot actually has some kind of metal or something inside where you can bend it, so you can bend it away from the headers and it stays bent. Well, I couldn't really do it with one hand. Let me see if I can do it with two hands. Well, I put a little bit of a bend in it, not much. They don't bend very easy, but I guess that's okay. Thicker material on the wire itself. And let's see if we can look inside at the connection on this. First I'll try with just the light on my camera. It's pretty good. And that looks like it's a single circle with a cut in it, so it's a tension clip-on tension thing. And I'm going to assume, since everybody likes these so much, that it's good quality and it can be reused. Why GM goes with this double thing, I don't know. Let's look at the other end of the MSC. And the other end has, come on. There, the other end has the double. They all have the double on the plug end. That's the plug end. And it looks like a single. All right, so I guess they all have the same style, but the quality of the materials is different. So I just wanted to give you this little, my opinion, basically. Now, the GM, all of them can take this extra protection. This is a heat protection thing to keep it off the headers, because the wires run very close to the headers in the LS motors, and that'll fit on all three of them. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use it on this one or not. We'll just have to see. But oh, and I'm going to put some sleeves on there too, which will, it might even fit down over this part, but it'll definitely protect the wire part here. Pretty long sleeves. I don't remember where I got them. I took them off my C5Z, and I'm going to put them on the C6Z. They don't wear out or anything. Heat protection. So give me a thumbs up. Oh, here's your information on the coils. This is for the LS7 motor. All right. So that's it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And I will see you later, guys and gals. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye. There's the damage that happened to one of the coils when the wire failed. That's arcing and corrosion and just a big mess. The coil might be okay. I might be able to clean that up with some glass bead blasting.